Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's start with our cards today and see what one comes out. Health. To live in ways that promote overall wellness and vigor. Write down what it means to you to be healthy, then assess how you're attending to your health in the areas you noted. Think about consistency. How often are you getting enough sleep, eating regular healthy meals, or moving your body? Surround yourself with other people who value health the way you do. Find a health mentor to whom you can be accountable for taking care of your health. Create new healthier habits by setting different manageable goals each month for any aspect of your health you can improve. And what angel number will we get today? $5858. Achievement. I am destined for achievement. With dedication and perseverance, I reach my goals and dreams. I celebrate my success and continue to strive for excellence. Number 17, my thoughts are empowering and loving. $42, netcaster preparations come to fruition. And today's quotes. Let's see what we get in here today. People who want to see you win will help you win. Remember that. Nothing is ever too early or too late. What is truly meant for you cannot be rushed, delayed, or taken away. Your attention is your most valuable asset and resource. Where you place your attention, that's what grows. Do you like what you are growing? Today, think about what you want and only think thoughts of what you want. Repeat all day long. Your kindness needs boundaries. And the last one today. All day long you are making choices. Start paying attention to the choices you're making. Are you reacting out of habit? Practice the pause and take a deep breath. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.